is the biggest lead in either set, whether it's the first set or this set, if I'm not mistaken. The 7-point lead by the DLSU Lady Spikers. And Cruz continues to serve. For the defending champions, only in their second game, they defeated Adamson in 4 sets. Ateneo is 2-0, defeating UST in straight sets, and then defeating UE also in straight sets. And Z Gervasio now. Remember the time when Z Gervasio was the main gunner for this team?
Yup, and yun naman ni Z, we were also looking at that, waiting for her to be consistent in her game.
Now she seems like she has settled into playing a role for Coach Roger.
Now it's more a team effort. Parang natanggal yung load off her shoulders.
Parang okay sa kanya.
Yes.
Talagang may ganun, ano? They've all settled into that, and that's what LaSalle now is looking for in Galang and Reyes, as this is another 3-point for Ateneo. Also si Can.
Yes.
Si Cruz, yung isang Cruz ng LaSalle.
The players that you're mentioning are really top high school players. I know that at one point si Tan is MVP of a league.
Si Camille Tan.
Yes, Camille Tan.
Sorry, Camille Cruz, you're talking Alexander Tan.
Alexander Tan.
Mabaw. Off speed. Ferrer takes that. Kainglet saves it. And a free ball for LaSalle. Let's see what they do for it. Esperanza. Back set.
Oh, and that's going to be a violation against Ateneo.
That's Valdez, ano?
So now,
rookie mistakes.
Now, DLSU holding on to that 7-point lead.
Tama ka doon. Let's listen to Ateneo. For those who don't know, that's Charo Soriano, of course.
Good point, Coach Charo.
That's
nothing to be alarmed about.
Former star player for Ateneo before the influx of Gervasio, Gretchen Ho, Jen Ferrer. Yun yung hindi pa nakakilala sa kanya. Now giving back to school as a champion coach in the off-season. Gervasio puts that away, finds the donut hole.
Ateneo needs to do. It has to be again a team effort, a little of everything from each one of the spikers.
12 serving 18.
Gervasio goes to the jump serve.
Over receive. Valdez not able to put it away.
Great dig by Maraño.
Ferrer. Valdez on a combination play. Hachi got the blockers faked.
What a nice combination play.
And this is a rookie.
Eliza Valdez on that end.
And I only say that because syempre nagkakaamuyan pa rin sila nila Jen Ferrer. Mistake on the serve by Z Gervasio to give LaSalle another point. They are maintaining their distance though. Talking about the defending champions who want to go up 1-1 here. They're 19, serving 13. Oh, and another service error.
For that. Returning.
To the chuckle of the audience here at the arena.
2 of the worst serves we've seen so far.
You're right. Rookie now on deck.
And a floater from Eliza Valdez continuing to do great on the service line.
Oh, it's Coach Ramil this time. Calling a timeout to lead us down to 4. straight years, losing to UST 2 years ago, and then winning it back
Taking back.
against their volleyball rivals of LaSalle. Now they're up against their collegiate rivals. Ferrer, combination. Chacruz! Valdez with a reactionary dig. Englet again. Chance for LaSalle here. Esperanza goes back. Oh! Zone 1 was wide open.
And perfect place for Gumabaw on that angled hit. And credit half that point to Esperanza on that back set to Gumabaw.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Ramil. Huwag set lang set.
Yes.
Persentuhan.
Yan na, kailangan talaga ang setter. Yung mata mo, all over it. Peripheral vision mo is really good.
Something bothering Lazaro today.
Yes.
She seems a little
Not
off her game.
her usual self.
Not her usual steady self.
Yes.
And the former Holy Spirit standout on deck serving. Ferrer goes back to the captain. That's wide. Now, LaSalle is on the verge of copying the second set, but they're still 3 points away.
Kasi hindi naman mataas ang set eh. Kapag mababa yung set, hindi natin pwesto. Hindi tayo po pwedeng mababa yung set, dapahan-dahan tayo, wala tayo abutan. Then dyan namin sa posisyon, sa bawat zone, pwestohan agad. Hanapin nyo kung saan pwedeng padaanin yung bola. Huwag tayo pumwesto sa hindi natin papakinabangan. Kung saan dadaan yung bola pag kinasang kamay? Saan dadaan ang bola? Okay? So saan tayo pumwesto? Dahan-dahan na pagkakalas ng bola, hindi na bola pagkatapos. Ano?
Lego! Ako na dito, ha?
Ateneo up 1 set. LaSalle looking to equalize. Second set action here at the arena. LaSalle Ateneo matchup earlier today. FEU easily winning against the UP Lady Maroons. Lady Maroons still
Winless.
winless in this tournament.
Gia Basho judging it well, letting that ball go.
16 serving 22. And Elise Nakachi. Esperanza quickly.
Oh, that's too
Siya
long.
nakapatong, ano?
Yes.
Napakatangkad. She's the
Under the
tallest
ball.
player right now
I would
for
think so,
LaSalle.
yes.
Si Irene Reyes from the St. Scholastica's College program.
Oh, and poor decision there.
Camille Cruz and Gohing. So nagkalituan.
Back-to-back ay pagkasunod na sila. That's why they miscalculated that ball.
Again, Ateneo playing without coach Roger Gorayeb. As Cruz goes down the line, that's why.
Wide. Boy, missed there for Chacruz.
He's so powerful though. At ganun-ganun lang. Tatlo na lang ang labang ng LaSalle.
Nag-istuwan yung score, nag-istuwan. Nakakatapos na lang, hindi pa tayo makaisa. Hindi mo na. Hindi ba yan? Kasi mo na, ang likit natin sa pwesto eh. Pwestohan natin, hindi kaya naman, hindi naman ipapalitan yan eh. Ha? Hindi naman pinapalitan kasi yung mabuti. Saan nagawan? Kasi wala din ang mabuti. Ha? Hindi natin ang mabuti. Pagka walang alaman, naging mo, di ba ba? Sa'yo bibigay. So, hindi ka mapantayan. Pag nakarin ka na ayos, sige, paluin mo agad, ha? O,
Let's go.
LaSalle looking for a side out here to change the momentum of this game. What did you take from that timeout, Boss?
Well, si Coach Ramil nga, very basic, the first ball. That's why nahihirapan sila because they're not able to give the ball well to Esperanza for her to set it. So let's see. Ito, mukhang nakakuha ng magandang first ball.
Ateneo with a chance at Kainglet. Puts it away.
And you know, this is what Coach Ramil pointed out. Yung LaSalle kasi, if you see their floor defense, parang malikot sila. They're not in their proper places. That's why this resulted to that point. Magkadikit na yung dalawang players ng LaSalle and very wide yung distance dun sa defense sa likod.
Nakakarami na itong serve kasi Nakachi. This time Maranyo is there to cover that spot. Cruz. Official to Kailet, but the ball is still alive and a free ball for the defending champs. Up by 2. Valdez saves that. What a roll for her. Cruz again. Valdez was there again. Chance for Phil Kailet. Down the line.
Phil Kailet on the down the line hit.
What a sequence. And what about Valdez on a
That's
couple
right.
of digs, Mosey?
That's true. And yun nga, and Valdez was able to save that. That's why Ateneo was able to win that point.
Isa na lang, Mosey. 21 serving 22. Esperanza, underhand dig. Cruz puts it away.
No one there for the receive, for that dig on the back row for Ateneo.
Want a point, you go to the veterans. And Cha Cruz plays an extra year for them.
This is really going to be a choice for Esperanza. You
Oh.
have the newbie Maraño on the other side and the veteran Cha Cruz.
Nice block there. And it's out. And it's set point.
That's Perez trying to tell the line judge that it was in.
24, serving 21. Ateneo, no room for error now for this set. Ferrer chooses the captain. Chance for LaSalle to put it away. Lazaro keeps it alive. Kailet,
Chance now for De La Salle.
too close to the net.
Just too close. Even for a Cha Cruz. Ang mahirap doon kasi galing na sa likod, may angle pa and close to the net. Ang hirap and it's really hard to time that one.
22 serving 24, edge of your seat volleyball action courtesy of the collegiate rivals. Maraño off speed, that's still good. Valdez didn't get to it and LaSalle takes set number 2.
Much to the delight of the crowd in green here at the arena.
Well, much to the delight of volleyball fans in
yes.
general, Mosey.
Whew, what a game so far between these two squads.
Not looking at each other. Bitter rivals. And we are tied 1 set all here on Studio 23. Back in a moment.